So I just came across this new Matrix client called Cinny, and it's all about having a sleek, user-friendly design.
Wait, a Matrix client. I thought those were mostly for hardcore tech users. What makes Cinny different?
Exactly, Cinny aims to simplify that experience. It focuses on elegance and security, kind of like how some people love minimalist design in apps.
That's interesting. But does simplicity come at the cost of functionality? Like, can it really handle complex conversations?
Good point, it seems like it balances both. Users can still engage in robust discussions, but without overwhelming clutter. It's refreshing.
Right? And it kind of reminds me of how some email clients have stripped down designs, yet still pack powerful features. You know.
Totally, it's like they say, less is more, but I wonder if users might miss certain features that other clients offer.
That's a valid concern. People get used to tools that offer a lot. Do we know if Cine has any unique features?
Absolutely, Cinny supports self-hosting, which is a big deal for privacy-conscious users. You can run it on your own server.
Wow, self-hosting. That elevates it to a whole new level. But how user-friendly is that setup process?
It's actually straightforward. You can grab the release from GitHub and set it up fairly quickly. That's a huge plus.
So it's accessible even for less tech-savvy users. That could widen its appeal.
Exactly, though I wonder if there are any hidden complexities that might trip up newcomers. Like, are there good docs?
Documentation can make or break an app like this. I hope it's detailed enough for those who need extra help.
Yeah, they recommend using version managers for local development. That's a smart move to avoid compatibility issues.
For sure, using NVM or NVM makes a lot of sense. But how about those who just want to use it casually?
That's where the web app shines. You can just hop on and start chatting without any installation hassle.
Nice, I love that instant accessibility. But what about security? Any concerns there?
Cinny is built with security in mind, which is huge, but like all apps, it likely has its vulnerabilities.
That's true. No app is immune. But still, it's good to see developers making security a priority from the get-go.
Definitely, it's fascinating how the market is shifting towards privacy. This could be a game changer for casual users.
Agreed. But I wonder how it stacks up against established players like Signal or WhatsApp, especially for mainstream adoption.
Right, those apps have massive user bases already. Cinny might struggle to gain that traction unless it offers something unique.
True, but maybe the crowd looking for privacy is willing to make that shift if they see the value.
That's a great observation. People are definitely more aware of privacy issues nowadays.
For sure, but you have to wonder if everyone is willing to jump ship from user-friendly platforms.
Right, user experience and familiarity play a huge role. You can't underestimate that.
Exactly. So it'll be interesting to see how Cine evolves and if it can carve out its niche.
Agreed, and if they keep improving the user interface, it could really attract a broader audience.
Totally. The balance between simplicity, features, and security is such a tightrope walk.
I know, but if they nail it, it could redefine how people view Matrix clients.
Imagine that. A user-friendly Matrix app becoming the go-to for instant messaging.
It's exciting to think about. This could change the landscape if they play their cards right.
What a thought. But then, will they be able to keep pace with feature demands?
True, that's the challenge, staying simple while adding the features users want. Not easy.
Exactly. It's like a balancing act. But if they can engage their community, they might succeed.
Community engagement can drive innovation. It's about listening to what users really want.
Right? So, if Cine can build that relationship, it might just flourish.
I can't wait to see how it develops. It's refreshing to have new options in the messaging space.
For sure, and who knows? We might find ourselves using it more often.
Absolutely, here, as to hoping we see more innovation like this in tech.